Here's another home and lifestyle TV gift guide spotlight. Nestled in the heart of Fort Worth, Texas, is a treasure trove for gaming enthusiasts, Fort Worth Billiards, where traditional home gaming meets sophisticated design, elevating leisure into an art form. Imagine an exquisite billiard table in your home, handcrafted to perfection. Whether it's the classic allure of vintage style or a sleek modern design, each piece is a statement of luxury and craftsmanship that enhances any home's aesthetic. For the strategist at heart, Fort Worth Billiards offers stunning chess sets that blend beauty and whimsy with intellect. Each board tells a story, inviting friends and family to engage in battles of wit. Now, darts isn't just a game, it's an experience. Transform your space with a dartboard that adds a playful yet stylish touch. It's perfect for gatherings, sparking competition, and camaraderie amongst friends. Elevate your poker nights with finely crafted card tables and chairs. Designed for comfort and style, they create the ideal setting for unforgettable evenings filled with laughter, strategy, and friendly stakes. Step back in time with pinball machines that evoke nostalgia while bringing fun to your gaming room. These timeless pieces not only entertain, they also serve as eye-catching conversation starters. At Fort Worth Billiards, every detail matters. From premium cue sticks to stylish dart flights and high-quality card accessories, each item is curated to enhance your gaming experience, ensuring that every play is a memorable one. So, if you're looking for that unique gift for a discerning game enthusiast, stop by Fort Worth Billiards or visit them online at billiardsuperstore.com.